Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to reset the color settings in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for settings. Once a best match would appear, please click on open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together in the keyboard, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings. Here at the settings, please proceed at the left pane or the left side of that. You can see there are a list of the options. Please locate for an option called System. And under the System tab, you can see there a first option which is Display. Please tap on it to bring it up. And under Display, you need to scroll down and under the related settings, you can see there are two options which are advanced display and graphics. So we need to click on advanced display and it will show you the display information. So I have only one display which is my internal display. All you need to do is you need to click on display adapter properties. The moment you do it, you would be able to bring up the small window, okay, which is the graphics properties. Here, please proceed on color management and under the color management, please click on color management once again. So from here, you can see there devices, all profiles, and advanced. Please click on advanced. And from here, you can see that the use Windows display calibration is being grayed out. So we need to proceed with change system defaults. And a similar window would appear. Please click on advanced once again and make sure that it is being turned on. This one. Once you have turned this on, close this window, close it, go with OK, as well as this. Navigate to the start icon, go with your power menu options, and click on restart. Once you've restarted it, you will be successfully reset the color settings of your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So that's it. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on resetting the color settings of your Windows PC or laptop. So thank you and have a good day everyone.